An electric lunchbox. This is quite the concept. So let's open the box and see what's inside and how it comes so you know what you're purchasing. Right away, you're going to find your owner's manual inside. It comes in this cool gray case. Slide that out. It's got a little carrying handle on top and a double zipper. This is lined to keep it nice and warm. You got a little extra pocket right here if you're packing some stuff. Here's the box itself, and pull up this little handle. Very sturdy. There's the inside of that carrying case. It's got snaps on each side here to pop open. I'm just going to take the lid off. Inside the lid is also a place for storing silverware, and actually does come with a fork and a spoon. So you can keep those dedicated to the box itself. There's the inside of the box. Top tray here is where you can just put some different little food groups, toppings or whatever for salads if you want to keep it separate. You can set that to the side. And here is a stainless steel bin. This is where you're going to actually heat the food. It comes with 2 different power cords. So you've got 2 options here. You can do a regular plug-in outlet or the car battery, like if you're on the road and you need to warm up on the go. So you've got 2 different options there. And they come in their own little case because, of course, you want to keep those with it at all times. Got this stainless steel bin. This is where you're going to do the primary food cooking. It's very simple, sturdy little bin. And then this is where the heating elements and whatnot happen. This is the heating part of the box. You'll plug your cords in here. There's 2 different kinds, either the outlet kind or for your cigarette lighter in the car. So that's where you actually plug in the cords itself, and this is where the heating and whatnot happens. You never add anything to this, no water, no nothing, always keeping this dry and clean. The directions do suggest adding, if you're going to have to heat for a while, to put a little moisture with the food just so it doesn't dry out completely, but all the cooking happens in this part right here. So that's what it looks like coming straight out of the box.